everyone. I'm Keyondra.
And I'm Kim.
And we are Jolie
Noire.
Noire. So we're coming to you today with a video. I'm being very proper. Video. So no, really, we're coming to you today with this particular video explaining about our apparel line, which is called Jolie Noire Apparel. So if you would, please go to www.joliexnoire.com. That is JolieXnoire.com. So yeah, so go and check it out, you guys. We're really excited about it. We are a small company. We've been running for about
maybe 8 months.
About 8
now.
months, yeah.
Yeah, we launched in January 2018.
Yes, January 2018. And people really love the apparel. We think it's cute as well. And so we've been wanting to do this video, but we've been kind of occupied and really busy with a lot of things that we've been doing. So here we are now presenting to you JolieXnoire. So we decided that we would come up with an apparel company, something that would be, you know, really cool, really dope for women who are like us. You know, we love being girly and pretty and all that kind of stuff, but at the same time, every day I ain't trying to be on.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to be on all day. So we decided that we would come up with this this athleisure wear line. What athleisure wear is athletics wear. You know, it's athletics leisure wear.
Yeah, so it's athletic wear that you wear as everyday clothing.
Right.
Yeah, essentially.
Yeah. And as women, like, we love, you know, running errands, and, you know, you got to make sure that your hair and everything is on point. But like I said, I don't feel like being on all day, every day, you know. Yeah. But I like being cute. Right. And I like smelling good. I like looking good.
What does any of that have to do with clothes?
And I make love. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, okay. Well, what's his name?
James Brown.
James Brown.
Just kidding, you guys. I am still saved. Amen.
Amen.
But no, but I'm really excited about, you know, what we have here as it relates to the apparel line, because like I said, it's very comfortable, and I think that for everyday running errands and just being cute and all that kind of stuff, you know, it fits well.
Yeah, like, I mean, it is that brand that is like, I would liken it to a smaller version, if you will, of like what Nike is doing, Adidas, Puma, like all of those brands. They have branched out into clothing that you can actually wear, you know, like outside of the gym. So it's not just sports bras and things like that. We don't have sports bras, but it's not, you know, for them, it's not just those types of things, but they have, you know, leggings and sweatshirts and t-shirts that are cute and that are fashionable. And so we have that. We started out, our signature sweatshirt is black and white, but then we have gray, white, and then black.
Yeah, the combination.
Yeah.
So gray, white text, or white font rather, white, black font, and then black with white font. Right. So we have, like she said, the signature sweatshirt. Then we have dad caps, which are really cute. They say Jolie Noire on the base of them, on the top of them. And then as well as leggings. We have leggings. And we have phone cases as well. But we're deciding that we're not going to branch off into all the accessories. We really just want to have one central focus, which is, you know, the signature apparel. Yeah, the signature apparel. Yeah. And so again, we're really excited about it, and we're going to show you guys some of the things that we have. But we're going to show you like a picture-in-picture type presentation. Instead of just having like some sweatshirts and some hats in our hands, we want to show you our website. But again, if you can't go to the website, you know, right after, you just think about it later on, and you go to it later on. Again, that is www.JolieXnoire.com.
website, JolieNoire.com, and see what you can find that is cute, because it is really cute athleisure wear. We are branching out and getting more items in for our fall collection and winter. And so you guys just stay tuned to that, and you will see all of the announcements of anything that is new on our Instagram pages, on Jolie X Noire apparel for the apparel, and then also hashtag Jolie X Noire for a chance, or JolieNoire, to for a chance to be featured on our Instagram page as well, because we do feature lovely black ladies on our Instagram. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and just keep on watching for what we have on the store. Bye.
Bye.